Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep in touch with our constant updates. Welcome to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and advice for new moms. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that breastfeeding moms should avoid, as they can harm your baby's health. Let's get started. Before we jump into the list of foods to avoid, it's important to understand why certain foods can be harmful to your baby. When you breastfeed, the foods you eat can be passed to your baby through breast milk. This means that if you consume certain foods, it can affect your baby's health and well-being. Now, let's talk about the 10 foods that you should avoid. 1. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can cause gastrointestinal distress for some babies and may lead to diaper rash. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits can cause acid reflux and diaper rash. 3. Caffeine. Consuming too much caffeine can make your baby restless, fussy, and may affect their sleep patterns. 4. Alcohol. Drinking alcohol while breastfeeding can lead to a decrease in milk supply and can also affect your baby's development. 5. Peanuts. Peanuts can cause allergic reactions in some babies. 6. Soy products. Soy products can cause digestive issues for some babies. 7. Fish with high mercury levels. Fish such as shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish can contain high levels of mercury, which can be harmful to your baby's nervous system. 8. Processed foods. Processed foods can contain additives and preservatives that can be harmful to your baby. 9. Chocolate. Chocolate contains caffeine and theobromine, which can affect your baby's sleep patterns. 10. Dairy products. Some babies may be sensitive to dairy products, which can cause digestive issues. So, there you have it, 10 foods that breastfeeding moms should avoid. It's important to remember that every baby is different and what may affect one baby may not affect another. As always, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about your baby's health. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice for new moms. Thank you for watching.